Congratulations on purchasing our Self-Rinsing Spin Down 90 Micron Sediment Filter. Today, we'll walk you step by step through the complete installation process. What's in the box? Mounting bracket, filter head, bracket screws, 2 pressure gauges, transparent filter bowl, ball valve, 90 micron stainless steel screen cartridge, O-ring lubricant, hose nozzle, 1/2 inch female NPT to hose barbs, and a filter bowl wrench. Tools required for installation: masking tape, Phillips head screwdriver, PVC pipe cutter, adjustable pliers, measuring tape, Teflon tape, level drill, 1/2 inch wrench, thread sealant, marker, 1 inch threaded nipple. Carefully align the blue mounting bracket with the pre-drilled holes on the back of the filter head. Take the provided bracket screws and insert them into the mounting holes to temporarily secure the bracket to the head. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the screws. We are pre-fitting this now to ensure everything aligns perfectly. Grab your pressure gauges and apply a layer of Teflon tape. Wrap the tape tightly around the threads of both gauges. Now we have thread sealant paste. Apply thread sealant paste over the tape for a perfect seal. Bring the filter head back and carefully screw both pressure gauges into the designated threaded top ports on the unit. Continue turning them by hand until the gauge dials are perfectly straight and facing forward so you can read them easily. Insert the brass ball valve into the bottom of the transparent filter bowl. Remember, absolutely do not use Teflon tape here. Next, simply screw the blue hose nozzle onto the bottom of the ball valve. Again, making sure to avoid using any Teflon tape. Fit this part here. Take the yellow 90 micron stainless steel screen cartridge and gently place it directly inside the transparent filter bowl. Apply a small amount of O-ring lubricant evenly around the top rubber seal. Firmly twist the assembled transparent filter bowl. Open the 1/2 inch female NPT hose barb. Do not use Teflon tape here. And fit the hose nozzle. Ensure that the connector threads are fully and tightly covered with the tape to guarantee a completely secure and leak-free fit. Just like before, apply a good amount of thread sealant paste directly over the taped areas to double down on leak protection. Pick the connectors and fit them by hand first. Fit the other connector by hand as well. Grab your adjustable pliers and tighten the connectors down thoroughly to ensure they won't back out under water pressure. Bring the unit to your wall, use a level to make it straight, and mark the 2 drilling spots through the bracket holes. First, set your drill and carefully create the required mounting holes directly into your marked wall spots. Now, firmly tighten the mounting bracket screws using a drill, applying strong pressure by hand. Loosen the screws on the mounting bracket slightly to make tightening easier. Now tighten these screws by hand using a screwdriver and secure them firmly. Now that it's firmly against the wall, tighten the mounting bracket screws using a hand screwdriver. It has a gasket inside. Do not use Teflon tape here. First, hand tighten one end of the flexible hose to the filter, then take the other end and carefully connect it to the inlet side. It has a gasket inside. Do not use Teflon tape here. Go ahead and repeat this exact same process to attach the other flexible hose to the opposite side of your water filtration line. Carefully line the metal hose fitting so it threads on smoothly, and firmly secure it tightly by hand to prevent cross-threading. Finally, use a small open-end wrench to give all your hose connections a final secure turn, but be careful not to over-tighten them. Congratulations, your new RKIN Self-Rinsing Spin Down 90 Micron Sediment Filter is now fully installed and ready for testing. Thank you so much for watching.